In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to hit Sounds and Vibration. Now scroll down to click on Vibration and Haptics, and to turn them on or off, use the switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics section. If you decided to enable them, you can also turn on or off haptic feedback for all of those options by clicking on switches next to them. Ring vibration, notification and alarms, touch feedback, and even media. When you finished, go back, scroll down and click on shortcut to prevent ringing. Now you can enable it thanks to this switcher and set up vibrate by clicking on it here. Go back, hit more sounds and vibration. Use this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to turn on or off this option, and last but not least, click on this one next to touch vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback for taps, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!